Hola. Or I should say I, figured out she burps when she drinks this milk. So,
Her milk is like this weird, nasty crap, but we have nothing else to drink, so.
yeah. Okay, so anyways, we're just gonna sort of talk here, and then I'm gonna edit it so that way I'll get all her burps. Then you'll hear how many times she burps. But hold on, I think I will. Okay, so this probably isn't gonna be posted, this little area right here, because I'm gonna edit this out. But anyways, in case it is, blah blah blah. So, how you doing? I don't know what the fuck this stuff is. There's one.
And numero uno.
It didn't even friggin' say what type of milk it was. It was just like this blank container.
I don't know why I'm still drinking this.
Cause we're crazy. God, this sounded watery. That was so gross.
That was not human. Oh, right. Okay, there you go. Let me finish my...
I don't know, I just feel like playing with effects right now. TV! We're on TV! Now we're in the press.
That looks weird.
I feel like I'm on a Muppet show or something.
That's what I think.
I don't know. Hey! And there's another! Cheryl, I told you to take out the trash!
I'm sorry, Margaret. I just didn't get to it yet.
Fine!
Do you guys know how to do that thing where like you lift your tongue up and spit?
Gleeking?
Well, when I heard of gleeking, I thought it was like someone like watching Glee for like a Glee marathon.
Like you're gleeking?
I was gleeking.
I really hope there's no such thing as a tongue fetish.
That'd be really nasty. I have a tongue fetish.
Okay, so I think that was about all the burps that we could get. So, little miss.
Why do I always get the hats?
Why do you always catch on fire? Oh! Jesus!
Damn it!
Jesus! Okay,
Thought a bird just flew by and scared the
well,
hell
it
out.
looks like we gotta go now. Whoa! Dang.
Whoa!
Okay, so, bye! It's just like this.